Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. The live stream is still going on as I'm doing this video. It's been going on for about 19 hours. The outside temperature is about 58 degrees. I'm in a camper like I showed you in that video, so it might be a little bit warmer in here. As you can see, the radio is turning on and off. You can see it, the live stream I said is still going on. You can see the green light on the receive. And you can see the wattage meter going. We're going to take a thermal image of the baofeng and let's see how hot that baby is. So what we're going to do, let me turn this on, and we're going to, I can take a picture of it. I'll also post a link to download the picture of the thermal image. But we're also going to do it like this. So I'm going to put my crosshairs right on the baofeng. And that is the thermal image we get. So I'm going to take a picture of this right now. There we go. We got it. Okay. Just to show you, I'm going to put the crosshairs on the receive radio, which obviously it's not very warm. Just to show you that this thermal image is working correctly. You can see the crosshairs are on that receive radio, and it's only reading like 65 degrees. If I go back to the baofeng, the red, let me try to get that. It's hard to do the camera, the imager all at once. So I'm trying to do this as best I can, right? 104. There's a max it can hold to. There, I think I got it. So I will post the download to this link on my website, and I'll post a link in the description below. And we're going to use the old-fashioned infrared temperature gauge. This is a red dot. You'll probably see the red dot maybe in the video, in the live stream. And that is saying, I'm going to shine it right in the speaker part of it. And that's going to say about 82 degrees. Okay. So there you are. Right there, 83 degrees. And it's transmitting now. Let's see if that changes with the thermal cam while it's transmitting. Maybe a little bit more. I think it's, yeah, it's still transmitting. I can see the green light on the receive radio. So, there it is. Now I have the, people are going to ask about the thermal cam here. I do have the sensitivity set at 0.90. The reason being is because this piece of metal is reflective, and that can make it reflect more coming back through the thermal camera. So according to the directions, I have it set, accordingly. My thermal camera is not a $1,000 camera, obviously, but at least will give you some ideas on how this thing is running for temperature. I think what's going on here, what's helping this baofeng to stay running, I think of two or three things, depending on how you want to categorize this. I think it being cold outside is helping, and I think the pigtail going from the radio to the meter is acting as a load, and same with that same with the power watt meter. I think, and the cold is also having an effect. So, like I said, when I shot this video that I'm making now with that thermal cam, it's about 58 degrees outside. It might be a tad bit warmer in here. Not much, but a tad bit warmer. So, like I said, that's what I think is saving the baofeng. I'm going to do a part 2. I'm going to redo all this. I'm going to try to think of a different way of doing this. We're going to redo all this. Maybe I'll just use a battery. Maybe I'll make it key up longer. I don't know. If you want to post suggestions, go ahead and post suggestions. That's what my thought is on that. Like I said, I think those are the reasons why this thing is staying running longer. I will probably shut this off here shortly. I just wanted to do this during the day when the outside temperature is warmer to try to eliminate that possibility why it's lasting longer. But again, like I said, we'll probably do a part 2. I don't know. It'll probably be after Thanksgiving. I got to kind of get some ideas and kind of reconfigure all this and get things all set up. But At any rate, I thought that'd be kind of cool that we showed you that thermal image. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. And please subscribe. And thank you, and have a good day.